Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Interview Question Series from Knowledge Powerhouse. Let's go on to next question. What are the main use cases of Puppet Enterprise? So as we saw, the Puppet software is very useful in DevOps. So let's go through some of the main use cases. So the main use cases of Puppet Enterprise are as follows: node management, code management, reporting and visualization, provisioning automation, orchestration, and automation of configuration. So these are the main use cases, or these are the main scenarios in which we use the Puppet. Let's go through these one by one in detail. So in node management, we can manage a large number of nodes with Puppet, because in enterprise systems we have hundreds of nodes. We have like so many microservices. Each microservice may be deployed into like multiple servers or multiple instances for high availability. So all those instances, if they are done on some nodes, so those nodes can be managed with Puppet is very strong and very like scalable. Then we have code management. So what code? This is our DevOps code. So in Puppet we can define infrastructure as a code, and then we can review, deploy and test the environment configuration for development, testing and production environments. So that way all this code can be managed, version controlled in Puppet. Then we have reporting and visualization. So Puppet provides graphical tools by which we can visualize and see exact status of our infrastructure configuration, whether how many nodes are up, how many are down, how many are still coming up. So all those things can be visualized by using Puppet. It's very helpful in that. When you see the visual version, you can easily identify the problems and the bottlenecks. So that is also a good use case of Puppet. Then we have provisioning automation. Whenever new users or the new business, they demand new servers, in that time we can automate the deployment and creation of these new servers and resources by Puppet. And so all the provisioning requirements can be completed very fast with the Puppet. So we don't need to like wait for some kind of a manual deployments. With automated deployment through Puppet, we can create a new server and release it to the business users or end users very fast. Then we have the orchestration. Whenever we have a large cluster of nodes and they are dependent on each other, we have to orchestrate them. So with Puppet, we can orchestrate the complete process, and it can follow the order in which we want to deploy the infrastructure environments. Let's say we have to set up a queue environment, we have to set up a database, we have to set up an application server. So all those things can be done by using the orchestration features of Puppet. Then comes the automation of configuration. When we do the automation of configuration, automation of creation of the environments, then we reduce the chances of manual errors. So there are no silly errors and the process becomes much more reliable. So that is the thing. We not only increase the efficiency by Puppet, we also increase the reliability. So the things become more reliable with the Puppet. So these are the main use cases. Let's cover once again: automation of configuration, orchestration, provisioning automation, reporting and visualization, code management, and node management.